Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make gradient text. So let's get started. Here I have my text. What I'm going to want to do is select it and then go to the layer section and press FX. Blending options, and then I'm going to select gradient overlay. Gradients are good for making text stand out, which is good for YouTube thumbnails and anything that needs to be eye-catching. Here we have our options. The first thing you want to do is select the gradient that you want. When you click on the gradient, you're greeted with this gradient editor, where you have a lot of presets and you can make your own. I'm going to choose this light blue one. You can drag the colors here and customize the presets how you like. Here you can change the opacity of the gradient. The lesser the opacity, the more transparent the gradient is. You can also reverse the gradient. You can choose at which angle you want the gradient to come in. And you can choose which style you want. You can do linear, you can do radial, you can do angle, you can do reflected, and you can do diamond. You can select the scale of the gradient. And you can choose the method which you want the gradient to come in. You can do smooth, stripes, classic, linear, or perceptual. And then you have blending modes, which allows you to enable any blending mode that Photoshop has on your gradient overlay. A pro tip if you want to make your text stand out even more is adding a little drop shadow. For homework, I want you to try and recreate what you see on the screen right now. A golden gradient text with drop shadow. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.